Hey, hey, hey! Come and play, let's get silly today. Clap your hands, shout hooray! With the Bella Buddies, yay! Uh-oh, what's that smell? Bella Buddies, do you smell that? Oh.
Sniff here, sniff, sniff there.
What's floating in the air? Old dog, time to wash that belly. You were rolling in the grass, wiggling fast and having a blast. Then you found a muddy spot and flopped right down. Splat, splat, splat.
Tail wag, wag, tongue out wide. But something smelly you can't hide. Sniff, sniff there.
What's floating in the air? Old dog, time to wash that belly. Into the tub, splash, splash, splash. Bubbles popping, dash, dash, dash.
Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Behind each ear, now you smell so nice and clear. Every dog gets dirty too. That's just what puppies do. But bats can make you fresh and clean, the freshest dog we've ever seen. Old dog, you're not so smelly. Old dog, now you smell like jelly.
Sniff, sniff here, sniff, sniff there.
Yay! Fresh dog in the air. Old dog, we love you dearly. Woof, woof. Good dog.
That was fun, we sang and played. Such happy memories we made. Now it's time to rest or read, draw a picture or help with a good deed.